welcome back to another video. I'd like to thank you for clicking on this video, and as promised in the last video I said that I would give the comments a shout out, and as this is the first time I thought I'd shout out every single comment. So shout out to Ferguson 1949, Ferguson T20 James, Chevy, hope I pronounced it right, Disco, I don't really think you needed me to shout you out, and Dreadnought. So if you are new, if you would like a shout out, be sure to comment down below, and whilst you're down there you might as well subscribe. Make sure to turn on that bell notification icon so you get notified every time I upload an amazing video. So in this video we're going to be getting the Fergie out. It's been like surrounded in the lean-to for quite a while, so we're going to get it out, but the whole purpose of this is so I can take pictures of it to then send off to, I think it's the Ferguson Club, and then they look at all the pictures and then they can like verify it, so then I can send another piece of paper off to DVLA, and then them DVLA people can give me a number plate so I can insure it, and then in a couple of months when I'm 16 I will be able to drive it on the road. So yeah, when I'll be able to drive it on the road we can get some proper cool road running videos. I'm hoping to be doing some ploughing work, some bale leading backwards and forwards, just overall tractor work, just fun to drive. So thank you for watching another video. Remember, if you'd like a shout out like these guys, be sure to comment down below and I will try to comment every single person's name. So let's get into the video.